Check out these steamed hot dogs. A classic dirty water hot dog consists of the water, vinegar, cumin, and some nutmeg. By the way, folks, I'll show you how easy it is to make these crisscross cuts on the hot dogs, but what you should know is that by doing so, you expose the inside of the hot dog to the water. And whatever spice you're using, whether it be the cumin, vinegar, and nutmeg, or what I'm going to show you, it helps flavor the hot dog from the inside out. You can use vinegar, cumin, or nutmeg if you like, but I'm going to show you a way to bump up the flavor of the hot dogs so that they're more like grilled hot dogs. The way to do that is to add some liquid smoke to the water. When you add liquid smoke to the water and then you do these crisscross cuts, it actually flavors the hot dogs inside more like they were on a barbecue grill. Just add 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke for every 2 cups of water. For those folks who like to spice everything up, you can add your favorite hot sauce like Louisiana hot sauce or sriracha sauce. Now you can see that the crisscross cuts will easily let the smoke flavor migrate to the inside of the hot dog. However you cook your hot dogs, if you want to steam a bun or two, this is the easiest way to do it. Just let the bun take a quick shower under the faucet cold water. Then wrap it up in a paper towel and put it in your microwave. The amount of time that you put on the control depends on the power of your microwave. I would recommend starting off with 15 to 20 seconds. Now, the only way to legitimately steam a hot dog at home is to have a steamer pan where you put the water in the bottom, and then you have an upper chamber that has holes in it where the steam comes through. Once again, we're going to take an opportunity to bump up the flavor by adding a little bit of liquid smoke. And again, those of you who like to spice things up can add some hot sauce if you like. When you add the hot dogs, stack them up so that there is space in between them so that the steam can migrate through. Once the pot starts to steam, it only takes about 5 minutes to cook the hot dogs. Now, even though most hot dogs sold in the United States are fully cooked, it's a good idea to check the internal temperature of the hot dog and make sure it's at least 160 degrees. Check out this delicious steamed hot dog. Now let me show you how easy it is to make these crisscross cuts on your hot dog. Besides making your hot dogs look very cool, these crisscross cuts accomplish 2 things. They allow the seasoning, whether it be smoke water or spicy water, to migrate to the inside of the hot dog, plus they allow the condiments like the ketchup, mustard, onion, relish, cheese, whatever you're using, to fall into the cracks, and that really enhances the flavor of the hot dog when you're eating it. Now, the easiest way to make these crisscross cuts is to use a couple of inexpensive spoons. I say inexpensive spoons because they are likely to have the thinnest diameter handle. If the handles are too big around, they won't allow the knife to go far enough, and we're going to use the wooden spoons to prevent the knife from going too far. We'll place a hot dog in between the 2 spoons and then make a series of diagonal cuts. Once we get to the end, we'll rotate the cutting board and make the cuts in the other direction. It's that simple. Well, there you go, folks. Now you know how to make perfect steamed hot dogs at home. And if you think we did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thank you very much. And if you think your friends might enjoy this video, please share it with them. Thanks for watching.